I'm Jacob, but my collector car is a 1997 Porsche Carrera S-993. I got selected for the RWB build, and I was looking for an RWB donor car, and a lot of scrutiny started coming out, so I started to step away from that notion of wanting a wide body build, and I stumbled upon this. I've had this particular car for about a year now. I don't get to drive too often, usually once or twice a week for short little runs. The 911 in particular was always just a sexy car to me. Every time it drove by, it didn't really matter what variant it was. I wanted that Porsche, the 911. For somebody that's not very mechanically inclined like I am, I wanted something that was ready to go, fresh out the box, and I was able to get my hands on it from a dealer broker out of Oklahoma City. At auction, it went for $290,000, and I paid $270,000 when I was able to acquire it. It's definitely like a dream come true. A lot of times I have to sort of pinch myself and make sure I truly do appreciate what it is that I've got my hands on. It's just perfect for the street, the amount of power that it has, its size, its quickness. I love the fact that it's a manual transmission most. It is incredible. It really brings you back to the time that it was built. You're in a cage. I love it, the way it looks, the way it makes me feel, the way it drives. This car has a tremendous amount of upgrades totaling to over $230,000. Original engine was a 3.6 liter flat six naturally aspirated engine, but it was swapped out in favor of a 4.0 liter done by Rothsport. On the new Rothsport-built engine, there's about 2,500 miles on it so far. So the car has 400 horsepower, 327 foot-pounds of torque. The transmission has been completely modified by Rothsport. Tons of modifications there. 6-speed manual transmission. Interior is incredible, it looks brand new. The inspiration for this car was a Carrera RS-spec. The driving experience is a very pure feeling you get when you're driving it, the way it brings you back to the time period that it was built. I love driving the car. I love rowing the gears through the hill country where I live. It's just an incredible ride. There's no modern technology, airbags, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, so it really does feel very raw. Wheels are custom HRE wheels, 19-inch. They're a 3-piece wheel that I think really give it that classic look that I was going for. The brakes have also been upgraded to meet the Carrera RS standards. This particular car has been built using all Porsche original parts from the Carrera RS. You can drive this car for a very long time. There's really nothing bad I can say about this car.